The sky exhales in shades of gray. Windows tremble, light fades away. A quiet world that feels the same as the storm inside my name.
Raindrops trace the glass like tears, counting down my silent years. Every streetlight softly hums like it knows what I've become.
Cold coffee on the table, still unopened letters, unpaid will. The clouds don't ask me how I feel, they just say what I conceal.
And I watch the water fall like it's washing off the wall.
All the words I couldn't say, all the colors turn to gray. Let it rain, let it pour on the hollow of my core. Every drop a memory of who I tried to be. If the sun won't break through, I'll dissolve into the blue. Let the sky cry for me while I drown quietly.
Footsteps fading down the street echo like a heartbeat. People run from getting wet. I just stand here and forget.
There's a comfort in the storm, in the way it keeps me warm. Like the darkness understands how it feels to slip through hands.
Maybe somewhere past the night there's a thin and fragile light.
But tonight I let it stay. Let the rain take me away. Let it rain, let it fall, let it silence every call. Every drop a lullaby for the parts of me that died. If tomorrow never shines, I'll read between the lines of the storm above my head and the tears I never shed. The sky is heavy, so am I. No more asking reason why, just the rhythm of the rain and the ache that will remain.